Hey, hello, everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is feeling well. Welcome back to another video on the channel. I appreciate you being here and I appreciate you viewing. All right, the positive quote of the day is "You always pass failure on the way to success," by the actor, and that was by the actor Mickey Rooney. Alright, okay, please like and subscribe and support the channel. I would highly appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, I'm not gonna make this video try not to make this video too long, excuse me. Today I want to talk about CPA networks. Now, in the last video that I posted, I talked about a website that was promoting a CPA network on a cool way on how to promote it. It was a radio ad. CPA, what was it? Cash, what was it? Cash at 22.com. Not sure if you heard of that website, but that's on the radio that I heard the other day, and I'm going to do a video about it, and also showed you guys a cool way on how to promote it instead of an expensive radio ad, a cheaper yet cool way to promote it. I will link the video up top, and I will also link it in the description. Okay, so I just want to go over, since I did talk about the CPA networks, I'm sorry, the CPA offer in the last video of the website, that gave me the idea to go over some decent CPA networks that I'm in, that I've actually got paid in, that are pretty easy to join. There's a lot of them out there. There's hundreds of CPA networks out there. And for those who don't know, CPA, it stands for cost per action. It's a way to market a consumer or a customer without, you know, charging them, without selling them. You get paid if you get the customer's email address. You get paid if you get them to download something, and many more ways that we'll go over on this channel. I'm not going to go over everything, but I just want to go over some simple networks to get started. These are networks that I'm actually in. And the first one I'm going to go over is CPA Grip. Now, if you want to join this network, it's cpagrip.com. This is an instant approval, free to join network. Now it's not as fancy as other networks, but it's a good network. It's a clean site. They mostly focus on content locking. Have you ever seen, for those who don't know, have you ever seen an offer where maybe a coupon or some type of ebook or some type of voucher or something, and then you click it? Or a good one is, you go to YouTube. I'm sure everyone's seen this one. You go to YouTube and you see this movie, a Spider-Man movie or a Batman movie that's about to come out, and it tells you click the link to view the movie, and then you have to fill out an offer. Well, that's an example of a content locking offer, and people get paid thousands, hundreds, thousands, monthly, depending on how you promote it and where you promote it, how good you are at promoting it. You can make thousands of dollars per month just doing that. There's many other ways that we'll go over on this channel, but like I said, I just want to go over the networks. Now, this one, it pays, from what I've gathered, the minimum payout is, let's see, $50. Once you reach $50, you can get paid every week, but you have to make at least $50 to cash out. And I believe you can cash out check, PayPal, and other ways. But so if you want to more information on it, go to cpagrip.com. Okay. So and that's pretty simple to get into. Like I think I've already mentioned that. That's pretty easy to get into. It's instant approval too, which I like. You can just sign up and get started right away. You don't have to wait for approval. You don't have to call anybody. So it's pretty simple. Another simple one is CPA Lead. Now, this is very, very similar to CPA Grip. It is instant approval. It's free to join. But the great thing about this over CPA Grip is the minimum payout, before they start paying you, is only 75 cents. That is awesome. That is incredible. A lot of CPA networks don't, the minimum is really that low. So that's when I saw that, I was like, wow. And I'm also in this one, and they have the same offers as, very similar to CPA Grip. They focus on content locking, like the example I gave you of the YouTube movie. Going to YouTube and viewing a movie, and then you click the movie, you click the link that they are promoting on there, you have to fill out an offer. That's a content locker offer. They also have email submit, downloads, but this and cpagrip.com, they both mainly focus on content locking. Let me see if there's anything else that I missed about this one. It's instant approval also. It's very, if I didn't say that already, if I did, I apologize. It's instant approval also. It's free to join. And like I said, it's only 75 cents minimum payout. So you can easily get in here and make money every day. So if you want to sign up and check this one out, it's cpalead.com. Okay. Now the next one, and this is going in order from probably the easiest to the hardest. Okay. It's only a few of them. The next one I want to talk about is adworkmedia.com. Now I talked about this on my last video. This is where the Cash App $750 offer came from that I talked about in my last video. Like I said, I will link it up top, and I'll also link it in the description. And please like and subscribe. Alright, okay, so at Work Media, and this one is pretty cool too, because this one is also, I believe it's a day or two for approval, but most likely this is instant approval. This is not a hard network to get into. It is a little bit more challenging than CPA Grip and CPA Lead to get into, but it's not that much more challenging. The most I think you'll wait is maybe 2 or 3 days at the most, which isn't bad once you sign up and get approved. This one also has all types of different offers on it. Content locking, email submit, download, install, and many more. They also have, credit card offers where you can promote maybe a health drink or something like that, and you can get paid off per sale also. But the cool thing about CPA, versus affiliate marketing is you don't have to sell anything. You just have to get people to do stuff. Enter their email, download this app, view this product or something like that, and they pay you $1, $2, $3, whatever the offer is. There's many different offers with many different payouts, so you just have to go in here, sign up, and see for yourself. But this one is adworkmedia.com if you want to go ahead and sign up for that real quick. That's pretty simple to get into, but it's a little bit more complicated than the prior two. So the final one I want to talk about is actually one of my favorites, is maxbounty.com. This is actually the first CPA network that I've joined. I've been in this for about 10 years. I'm not heavily promoting it like I used to, but I did make pretty good income on this website. This website it is free to join, but this one is, out of all of them that I mentioned, is probably the most complicated to get into. Not that complicated, but it's not going to be instant approval. You are going to wait, I believe it's maybe a minimum about 4 days to a week. Not long, but they do have more complex questions, and also it's a little bit hard to get into because the payout is better. Like you will, like for example, you may find an offer on Max Bounty and find an offer on AdWork Media, but Max Bounty is going to pay more. Okay, so that's why it's a little bit more complicated to get into. You can make, better money, but the minimum payout is $100 versus, the 75 cents on CPA Lead and the $5 on AdWork Media. That's a big difference, but you do get paid every week, and they do have a lot more offers, and I would say definitely better offers than the prior networks. That's why it's a little bit more challenging to get into. Let me see if there's anything else that I missed on Max Bounty that I wanted to talk about. Oh, the offers. They have all kinds of offers. They have, you definitely have to get in here and find out. They have a lot of good offers all over the world, all over the country, that you can promote. Email submits, download installs. They have simple offers that you can just promote, and I believe they even have. I'm not sure if they have the click offers on here. I'm not sure, so I'm not going to say that. So I do apologize, but they have a lot of good offers on Max Bounty. So once again, if you are interested in learning more about CPA just to get started, and you want to go to the 4 websites that I mentioned, are cpagrip.com, cpalead.com, adworkmedia.com, and last but not least, maxbounty.com. I will go over more networks on this channel. I will go over more ways on how to promote each CPA offer and different ways, but like I said, I just wanted to keep this video simple and just talk about different networks that different networks that you can go ahead and join and get started if you are interested in CPA marketing. It's a great way to make some income. You don't have to sell anything. You just have to mainly promote, get people get people to enter their email, you get paid like that. Get people to install this app, you get paid like that, and so on and so on and so on, without selling a thing. That's what I love about CPA marketing. So once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you could please like and subscribe, I would appreciate that. You guys have a blessed day. Stay safe out there. Okay, see you next time. Bye.